So we bought the Shark vacuum cleaner because I know Mrs. Bennett just cannot get away from the cleaning when we're at home. So I thought I'd give her the luxuries of bringing one on holiday. So now we can do the sharking in the caravan. So I've just pulled up my carpet actually, and it's quite surprising. I've got a fair amount of sand. So let's get this.
That's minging. You're disgusting.
Let's get this bad boy on. So we get all into the nooks and crannies with this, which is great. And then we do a quick exchange.
But you're literally walking in it all.
That's alright.
It's going to stick to the bottom of your feet.
I need another tool.
Oh.
And here we go. Conveniently placed in the...
And it actually fits really well in the wardrobe, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. So let's see what it's like on the sand. Well, the lights are really protected it. Give it a boost. Oh, look at that. It comes right up. All the way into the edges.
Oh my god, that's actually really good.
Because it's got an edge protect.
I actually think, and I can't believe I'm going to say this, it's better than my Dyson.
So there we go. And what's also nice as well, we've got a beach holiday next week, so we're going to end up with a lot of sand in here, and also we're going to end up with sand in the car.
I don't know if people will hear you over the Hoover.
So I can give it a clean. But I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to carry on doing the sharking. Like the tail. You don't need to video the whole thing. It's not like it's the only time I ever do any sharking.
Oh, you only ever shark or Dyson when we've got a new Dyson or Shark. So this will probably be the first and final time that you'll do it.
Yeah. So those that are wondering why we call it sharking and Dysoning is because it's not a Hoover. And a Hoover is a brand.